Super ganda ng seminar. I really learned a lot, especially even if this is just the first day. Hitik na hitik yung topics. And also super good na resource speakers. I hope naman din ganitong similar na trainings in the future, especially more specific to the topics na discussed today. Of course, I would recommend this training kasi it's super helpful to learn, especially for those beginning in the industry, beginning as regulatory people, PCOs, etc.
Kaya po, super informative niya in terms of lalo na kapag mag-comply with the sa mga government compliance. As someone na may experience din sa ganun, so nakikita ko na yun talaga yung na-experience ko, yun talaga yung kailangan malaman.
Nakaka-relate din kasi sa some parts. So parang namin ganito pala yung mga registrations ginagawa. So parang na-amaze din kami kasi lahat pala kahit konting chemicals na i-purchase or something, kailangan talaga siya i-register.
Ako po ma-recommend ko siya, especially sa regulatory part talaga. Kasi kami, sa QC kasi kami. So medyo nakaka-relate kami in some part, especially sa mga chemicals talaga. Pero in terms of talagang compliance, so more on regulatory side siya. So ma-recommend namin sa mga regulatory personnel namin.